Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export Lucidchart to PowerPoint. All right, it is pretty easy to do. So first up, open up your diagram. Now, once done, go ahead and go to the top left and we have these tabs. Okay, just go ahead and click on File. Now go ahead and locate Export, which is right here. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now go ahead and select PowerPoint right here at the top. Okay. Just click on it. So just go ahead and click on Install for PowerPoint and it will open up a new tab. Wait for it. As you can see here, it redirects us to the Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and click on Get It Now. Now it will require you to log in with your Microsoft account. So I'm going to do that. And now you'll need to fill in these details. All right. Just click on Get It Now. Now it says here, get started with the add-in. Just click on Open in PowerPoint. And there will be a pop-up right here. Just click on Open PowerPoint. All right, your PowerPoint will open. Just wait for it. Okay, just click on Connect to a user. The login page will pop up. Hit on Next, Accept. Log in with your Lucidchart account. Scroll down and hit on Grant Access. And there you have it. Now from here, you can go ahead and save it, or you can go ahead and click on New right here and create a new diagram. All right. Now, another option, if you want to, you can go ahead and save it as an image. For example, we hit on Export right here, okay, and save it as a PNG with a transparent background. Just click on it. Now I'm going to hit on Maybe Later, hit on Download. I'm going to change the quality right here to the highest. Download. Wait for it as it generates, and a download page will pop up in a moment. As you can see here, so I'm going to save it on my desktop. Maybe name it for PPTX. Hit on Save. Now we have the image right here. So what we're going to do is just open up our PowerPoint. Now if you want to make a slide, just right click on the blank space right here in the left panel and hit on New Slide. Now go ahead and paste that image in here. Okay, say for example, you wanted to make a report or a presentation, just like that. Okay, you can now zoom in, but you cannot edit it. That's the only problem. And then here in the first option, we can just go ahead and present this one while live editing. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.